Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. Prime Minister Andrew Holness has added his voice to the debate over the cancellation of the 2022 JCDC Festival Song Competition. Speaking at a Jamaica Labour Party Area Council 2 meeting today, Mr. Holness spoke to the drop in the standard of entries over the years. Details in this report.
The state of the music industry in Jamaica, particularly in recent times, is back on the forefront of debate with the announcement that the 2022 JCDC Festival Song Competition will not take place due to the poor quality of entries. Prime Minister Andrew Holness says it cannot be denied that over the years there's been a deterioration in the standard.
The festival songs that we grew up on conveyed an incredible sense of patriotism for our country. It conveyed hope, but it also conveyed a spirit of togetherness, of happiness, a kind of positive and prospecting outlook.
He was quick to point out that the songwriters and producers are not to be blamed.
There's also a kind of different sense about how people feel about Jamaica. There has been a different narrative that doesn't necessarily speak to the higher principles to which we strive.
Mr. Holness also took aim at the content of music which now obtains, arguing that it sends the wrong message about Jamaicans.
We're being defined by some very limited things. You know, wap wap and chop chop and ensure and all of them. All of those things have their place, but they can't define us. We should not allow that to define us. It is an embarrassment to me when another country say, I don't want your artists in my country.
He says as the country celebrates its 60th anniversary of independence, what is needed is music to lift the spirit of Jamaicans at a time when there's what he describes as a pall of gloom and doom over society.
We are very good at music, and there is no reason why we can't find a festival song that will capture and project and promote optimism, positivity, togetherness and harmony as we celebrate the spirit of Jamaica 60. So, Minister Grange, let us find that song, our songs. Let's put it to the people.
Janella Precious, TVJ News.